How to make a breakfast burrito. First, wash your hands. Step 2. Crack 3 eggs in a bowl. Step 3. Scoop out any eggshells in the bowl. Step 4. Wash your hands again. Step 5. Mix well. Step 6. Let butter melt. Step 7. Pour eggs in, then stir till not soggy. Step 8. Warm tortilla. Step 9. Set tortilla on plate. Step 10. Sprinkle shredded cheese on middle of tortilla. Step 11. Put eggs on top of shredded cheese. Step 12. Roll burrito. Step 13. Put burrito on stovetop for 2 minutes on each side. Step 14. Eat!